Hey guys, we're doing teams now for case 9. It's 7:43, 38 p.m. Melbourne time. Winner will get 4 spots in the 14, 15 NT. It's 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going. So Garth Manning, you get the spots in the NT. Five, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. Idiot. Okay, Garth Manning Raptors, Ryan Taylor Suns, Zach Avancic Lakers, Jason Airey Celtics, Viet Thai Hornets, Matty Whiting Bulls, Viet Thai Warriors, Peter Paynes Nets, Sean Thong Pistons, Adam Carter Hawks, Jason Airey Pacers, Thomas Pilak Pelicans, Timothy Price Kings, James Cannon Bucks, Eugene Yu Mavericks, Jake Chesson Clippers, Leah Tua Thunder, Mr. Holland Grizz, Jason Airey Magic, Grant McDonald T-Wolves, Timothy Price Knicks, Adrian Javasi Blazers, Glenbow Rockets, Grant McDonald Jazz, Mick Pilak Heat, Glenbow Cavs, Eugene Yu Spurs, Walt Jones Nuggets, Ryan Taylor Wizards, and Eugene Yu with the Sixers, and that is the teams.